Manitou Dorado wheel installation. This video covers the proper process and procedure for installing a wheel and torquing the axle on Manitou Dorado forks. Assemble these tools and let's get started. Place the bike in a stand. Make sure the fork dropouts are parallel, facing forward, and free of debris. Hold the wheel with one hand and carefully guide the brake rotor into the caliper. Use your other hand to steady the fork and adjust the dropouts as needed. Apply waterproof grease to the axle threads before inserting into the dropout. Hold the hex end of the axle and insert it into the right fork leg and through the wheel hub. When it hits the dropout on the left side, use both hands to align the dropouts and axle. Turn the axle while pushing it in to seat the hex end into the right dropout. Once the hex end is seated in the dropout, use a 5mm hex wrench on the left dropout to tighten and torque the axle. Stroke the fork several times to ensure proper alignment of the dropouts. After compressing the fork, retighten the axle tension bolt to the specified torque. Use a 5mm hex wrench to lightly tighten the dropout pinch bolts. Then, working from outside to inside, torque the pinch bolts. Repeat outside to inside until all bolts have reached a stable torque setting. You have completed the wheel installation and axle torquing process for Manitou Dorado forks. Continue to our YouTube channel and ManitouMTB.com for more maintenance procedures and assembly instructions. Thank you for riding with Manitou.